Hey, what's up, guys? It's Inca 4x4, and thank you for joining me on this one. Here we go out to North Carolina, 105, and Buzzards Roost with my mom. She cooks ceviche, lomo saltado. We do camping. We got the Gladiator with the camper, the whole setup. We had a great time, and it's Father's Day weekend, so I'm glad I could enjoy it, especially for anyone who's lost a dad or someone important in their life recently. It was important for me to get my mom out. My grandfather passed away in May of this year, and my dad passed away in August. So I just really wanted to get her out. So we had fun, and I'm not going to complain. She makes great food. Look at this view. It's scary. I'm scared. This is as far as I'm going. That's the highway out there. So I'm going to turn around, but I am going to show you this a little bit. And we are going to see really cool things on this trip. So I appreciate you for being here. All my subscribers, thank you so much. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Inca 4x4, and we're on Old 105 in North Carolina. I'm about to air down because it's kind of bumpy. So the Inca 4x4 camper, I got all my stuff organized in here. And yeah, just going to do this air down. Let's take a look at the rig. It's a nice day. We're celebrating Father's Day. It's Father's Day weekend. The four bangers and everything I really enjoy. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate it. All right, so you can't go wrong when mom's coming to camp with you, because look at this. She's making lomo saltado, which is a Peruvian dish with, she cut up potatoes, she's making rice, she's got her little table thing set up here. She's using the scuttle to make bread. It's kind of like an Arabic style bread. She made the dough herself. And then, yeah, we're gonna eat steaks. She's got salmon. I picked up some ginger juice. So the ice cold, the jewel. We have 20 gallons of water. This is my mom, Rosa. You say hi.
Hey, hi.
So yeah, we got the fire going. Chainsawed some of that, and yeah, I'm gonna sleep up here inside the Inca 4x4 camper. These are custom for trucks, so whatever truck you have, we can make this custom for you. That just pops up and you just sleep up in there. So yeah, and show you the side here. Kind of leveled out with some rocks there, and yeah, the solar with the Renogy 100 amp hour battery. I have enough energy to run all my stuff. So yeah, let's I'll show you a little bit of the food, and then we'll keep it moving. I'll shoot up the drone in a little bit, because one thing I'll tell you is this road here gets really crowded, so camping is limited. There is some epic spots, but you want to get there early. So but I'll shoot up the drone in a little bit and hopefully show you some of what it looks like. Hey, morning, guys. So getting this little fire started, and this is day 2, and just let me show you kind of the gazelle tent and the camper. So let my mom sleep at the camper. This is the inside, and oh, it's kind of hard to see, but we have the one banger up there, and then we have the gazelle tent over here. Kind of see, but I was working on some of the videos. The Jeep. We're about to make breakfast. So here We have this Jitter coffee, or I think it's Jitter. Yeah, I think Jitter Brewing Company. Tori from Venture Unknown. Shout out to her. I got some a while back, and I still have one bag left. I'm gonna use this grinder, and I'm gonna do a pour over method. So I actually use a drill to turn this. So I'll show you that a little bit. So it has like how coarse you want it. You want it a little coarse if you're doing like pour over. And then yeah, so these are beans. The water's almost boiled. The scuttle, and we basically some leftovers, some new stuff. What do we have?
We have a leftover for the lomo saltado mixed with the rice, and we have a chicken sandwich. We make a chicken patty, and we fix this bread and
Scuttle.
And the scuttle. So yeah, we have
it's really delicious. Yeah.
Yep.
A nice fire, and gonna start packing up. I'm gonna take a shower in the Julka shower, the Taruka awning, and the gazelle tent was great. All right, so we're here off I-40 on the interstate, and just spoke to a local here named Dylan, and we're gonna go up to Buzzard's Roost overlook, and this is just a beautiful scenic route, and hopefully I get some cool drone pictures that I could share with you. And yeah, let's just keep going on the trail. Thanks again for being here. So, all right guys, so I'm heading to this outlook. Again, be careful when you come down here. It is dangerous, so let's go see what this looks like. And I hate heights. So no me gusta. I don't want to use expletives in this video, but god damn, that is, well, now I just did, damn. Oh my god, yeah, I do not like that. I get like a churning feeling in my stomach. Yeah, this is as far as I'm gonna go. So all right guys, check this out. So my mom made fresh ceviche and salmon and rice with potatoes. It's not traditional. You can make it all sorts of different ways, but I'm gonna have a link. She goes through the ingredients so you can make it step by step. And that's my mom. This is the setup. I'm glad you're here on this trip with me. So go into the description to check out the YouTube video for this when it's up. Appreciate it.
Hi, my name is Rosa. We're gonna start cooking ceviche. That's a Peruvian ceviche. So the ingredients we're going to use is, for today, it's a tilapia. We're gonna use the fresh garlic. We're gonna use the fresh ginger. We're gonna use salt, pepper, and lemon.